showing you how to decorate for a birthday party. So today is my 17th birthday and I'm going to show you how I decorated everything, including how I'm going to make my balloon arch. So I bought this balloon arch tape from Amazon. It's reusable and it's perfect for any occasion. Here are all of my balloons. So we have made so many balloons and we're going to be using them to make our balloon arch. So this is how you go. Show you how the balloon arch is, like the tape. So as you can see, there's a larger hole that pops out when you pull it off like this. So you're supposed to insert the bottom of your balloon into here and pull it in to lock it into place. So this is how you do it with one of them. So I'm gonna go on the first one right here. Grab this little part and push it through the big hole. Pull it as hard as I can through it. Make sure not to pop the balloon. And then I'm gonna pull it very hard, like tight in here to lock it in place. And now this balloon is fully secured onto this little piece. I'm gonna add the rest of mine. Make sure to go in assorted colors because you want them to be different sizes, make them look nicer. So I'm gonna add the second one in right now, right here. You can add more than one all the time next to each other on the same little hook. It makes it look nicer and more neat and make them look closer apart. Closer together, sorry. This is 2 of them. That's how it looks like with 4 of them together. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me doing all of them up until the end. I'll show you exactly how to arrange your balloons. You can always move them after. So this is how the balloon arch looks like. There's all these sorts of balloons, all different colors. They're perfectly organized. You can always maneuver around which kind of balloons you want to use. So this is how it looks. Now we're going to be showing you how we attach it onto our decoration table. So this is how it looks like after we've decorated everything. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!